What's going on, guys? Emily with MarineMax Nisswa here. I'm on a 2026 Nautique G23. I want to show you my favorite things about it, including the back area here. So sea deck everywhere. You have cup holders built into the platform. No shortage here on the back seats. Walking into this boat, you don't need to step on any interior because Nautique has full walkthroughs from the back to the front. Also, check out this huge area for storage. Both sides. Walking into the boat, very nice wraparound seating. These wireless phone chargers are the best on the market. You can actually put your phone there and hold a charge all day. Here is your link Panorama screen. Super easy to set up your surf wave, plane assist, and you have steering thrusters on the G series here. You can also have it on your roto dial as well. This boat is at MarineMax Nisswa. Come and check it out today.